This lesson will describe NTDC Administration Report Number 2, Port Unloading Summary Report, longline by month. To run the report, click on the Reporting button in the main menu, then click on the NTDC Administration button in the Reporting menu. Select Report Number 2, Port Unloadings Summary Report, longline by month. Before running this report, you must ensure that all of the port sampling log sheet and unloading data have been entered and are correct. It is also recommended that you run the post-data entry processes to ensure that all the appropriate data links are in place. Refer to the lesson on post-data entry processing for more details. The parameters used to select the criteria for this report are gear, and of course we select longline, and year, and in our case we'll select 2006. Once we've selected our parameters, we will click on the Run Report button. Alternatively, if you wish to run your own analyses of the data, you can run and open in Excel. Make this report larger so we can see it. This report summarises the longline unloading information by port and month for the selected year. So we have the year 2006, we have the port, and we have the 12 months of the year. For each month, the number of unloadings, log sheets provided, and unloadings sampled is shown. The report then shows the percentage of unloadings that also have associated log sheets and the percentage of unloadings that were sampled. It also shows the number of port samplings that were checked and the number of fish measured. The numbers and the percentages are totaled for each year along the bottom. Note that the recommended coverage rate for both log sheet and unloadings data should be 100%, which means that log sheets and unloadings data should be provided for every fishing trip. The target coverage for port sampling data is only 20%, so there may legitimately be no sampling listed against each unloading in this report. This report should be run on an annual basis. The report is useful to get an overview of unloadings at each port in the country. This can be helpful to the NTDC, enabling the better management of staff on port. The report is also useful in annual reporting to regional meetings. That concludes this lesson.